presenting a pre-owned 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable transmission. This Dodge has less than 229,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.